Hi Carrie, this is Greg. I just wanted to show you your pen being filled with water. I did a writing sample earlier, so bear with me as I hold my video camera with one hand and try to fill with the other. But I'm filling it with water. And you see the water squirt out. So that's just a quick shot of me filling it for you, and then I have the writing sample along with your pen. Well, not balancing like I'd like it to. So, but anyways, you get the idea. This one's restored. Just wanted to show you, let you know. Thank you.